Hey y'all, it's Raj with EV365, and today we're looking at the loading ramps by Teslaunch. These are made out of aluminum, and they just kind of sit on top of the back of your bed, just like that. I like to put a little rubber mat on them because these do have a lot of sharp edges. I do wish they put some plastic or rubber caps on the ends, but you just kind of lay them on, and they sit pretty sturdy. And I've got two of them here, so if you've got something you need to wheel up, you can use them for that, but each of them holds about 700 pounds. And look, I'll just walk up. You can see they're super sturdy and stable. All right, we're over here at the Rivian. And on this one, I just wanted to show you, it kind of folds up this way. So, it's probably about 3 feet long, so you can store this away pretty easily. And it does come with this strap. So when it's folded up, you can hook it up and it stays closed. And it's a pretty nice strap, actually, pretty heavy duty. So we went in and took that off. We're going to just show you how to unfold it. Now, there are a lot of pinch points when you're using this. I would recommend maybe using gloves, even though I don't have some on right now, just to be safe. But yeah, you just kind of expand it open, and you want to get it flat. And then you just kind of lay it in place. And this time, we're going to lay them side by side. Use the dolly a little bit. And again, they each hold about 700 pounds of weight, so you get about 1,400 pounds this way. We're just going to walk up with that dolly. And you can see you can get things up with wheels pretty easily. And again, this will work with any truck, but we're focused on EVs here, so we're showing you with the Cybertruck and with the Rivian. And you can find these on Teslaunch, so we'll put a link in the comments below. If you got any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching. Hang loose, y'all.